friend? Where is your new friend? Sino pa may new friend? Okay. Name at sino nag-invite? Si Vicky po. Sally. Si Vicky po. Vicky! Hey, Vicky! Okay.
Naisa, invited by Diana. Ana, invited by Marius, invited by Alamaya. Rosary, invited by Umbrella, invited by Diana. Marapa, invited by Alamaya. Invited by Sister Jen, invited by Anichi. Kay, invited by Grace. And Joanne. I have my invited by Sister. Okay, ate? Okay.
Yan, kung friends meron pa? Meron pa pala isa, wait.
Lenny.
Pwede mo siya, okay. Wait. New friend, ate? Okay, hi. Okay, name at sino nag-invite sa'yo?
Joy, invited by Victoria.
Victoria, okay. Sa lahat ng mga nag-invite, can you stand next to your friend? Alright. Samahan mo na sila, eh. Samahan mo sila, eh. Okay. Nakinig kayo doon sa song. Okay, huwag kayo masyado ingay. Okay, wait lang. Okay, gusto niyo maging kids today? Tuturuan ko kayo. Okay kayo doon sa song kanina, yung 1,000 Years. Nag-speak kasi yung lyric sa akin. Sabi niya, wait lang, baka maiyak ako. Okay, sabi niya, I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. So your invite today, hold the hands of your invite. Hold your friend. Yan. They will be your accountability partner from today on. Remind them that God loved them from the very beginning. Okay? And God will still love you 1,000 more years to come. Okay? So today, kami lahat ay witness. And we want to see you here next week and the weeks to come. Because we want to share with you the love that we received from Jesus Christ. And that love is an everlasting love. Hindi yun love na nanggagaling lang sa amin. Dahil pag kami lang yung magmamahal sa inyo, kulang. So we will love you from the overflow that God is given to us. So everyone, please give a warm applause to our new friends. Welcome in the love of God. And it's titled Palagi. Sorry, remember God's love. Palagi kayo minamahal ng Panginoon. Yes? Alright? Please give a round of applause to our